Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to remove songs from Instagram posts. So first, to be able to remove songs from your Instagram post, you have to open the Instagram app on your phone. Once you open it, then you tap on the profile icon. Once you tap on the profile icon, then you tap on any of your posts that has the songs that you want to remove. So I'm just going to click on it.
I live my life cause peace of mind is
So I'm just going to tap this three dot icon right here. Okay, then I'm going to turn on this option, which is partnership